Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU Oil Change Kits. This kit fits the 2014 to 2017 Sprinter models that came equipped with a 2.1 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine, also known as the OM651. In this kit, we include 12 liters of the RAVENOL HLS 5W30 synthetic engine oil, a Mahle oil filter with seals, and the drain plug crush washer. The RAVENOL HLS 5W30 is a premium synthetic engine oil that is made and bottled in Germany. It's specifically engineered for the Mercedes-Benz diesel engines that came equipped with the diesel particulate filter emission system. Its high quality has been confirmed directly by Mercedes-Benz. It carries formal OEM approval for the MB 229.51 and 229.52 oil quality specifications, which is what Mercedes recommends for the Sprinter 2.1 liter diesel engine. What really sets this oil apart from others is RAVENOL's Clean Sinto technology. Clean Sinto is a higher quality synthetic oil base than what's typically used and features a highly advanced additive package engineered and made in Germany. Some of the benefits you'll notice when using this oil is a much quieter running engine, reduced deposit and sludge buildup, and an improvement in fuel economy. To learn even more about the benefits of using RAVENOL HLS in your Sprinter, feel free to visit our website. For the oil filter, we include a Mahle oil filter, which is our preferred filter due to their premium quality level. They are an OEM oil filter manufacturer that has been supplying many of the German automakers for decades. The filter also includes all the necessary O-rings and seals for a proper oil filter replacement. As well, we include the drain plug sealing crush washer. So that is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU oil change kits for the Sprinter 2.1 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine. If you have any other questions or for more information on our oil change kits, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.